So one of the most common questions that I get is, when should I expect the first baby tooth? And the reality is, it's a range. So some children are actually born with baby teeth, and then there are some kids who don't get their first tooth until they're 18 months, and all of those things are okay. But the thing I want to impart on everyone is that it's important to see a pediatric dentist or a general dentist by the age of 1 or the first tooth. And the reason we want to do that is we want to make the dentist a fun experience. Unfortunately, a lot of the community feels that we're rather scary people, and what we want to do is desensitize your child to being able to have a toothbrush in their mouth and to realize that it's okay to open your mouth. A lot of parents, I find, just give the toothbrush to their child, which they like, but it's important for them to be accustomed to someone else brushing their teeth. So start brushing their teeth with that first tooth. Now, when it comes to toothpaste, you want to make sure that it actually does have fluoride in it. The key is to not use very much. So if you look online, you can just use something called a smear of toothpaste until you are confident they're going to spit that toothpaste out. So when you are trying to brush your child's teeth, one way that I do it with my own 11-month-old is I actually just hold him. And then I brush the teeth, and then he usually grabs my hand and starts brushing on his own. The best thing to do, though, is to brush the top and the bottom completely separate. And when I talk to older kids, when they're brushing their teeth as well, I have them brush each tooth as an individual thing. So you spend 5 seconds on each individual tooth. One child actually yesterday told me, "You're scratching my gums." So you actually want to scratch those babies' gums because it toughens them up to prevent gingivitis. The takeaway message is you want to make sure that your child sees a dentist by their first tooth or age 1, and you want to get in that mouth as soon as possible. So right when you start seeing that little tooth come in, get that toothbrush in there.